Kids don't mind when the mother gets angry. Even mother outwardly, she's rude or sometimes appear to be very strict or rude. Kids, yeah, they get upset, but they don't mind. It doesn't really go inside them, doesn't it? Is there any one individual who has not been scolded by your mother? Raise your hand. Anyone here whose mother never scolded you, never pulled your ears? No, it's impossible. But because the innermost connection is there, the innermost is love. Same with the wise man also, enlightened. Enlightened shouts at you or doesn't do usually do, but if at all, then people don't take it seriously. They see beyond that there is a beyond. The same way, deep inside when we are positive and outer little bit negativity does not matter. Am I making it clear too? Does it sound okay? Basically, you are positive. You are full of enthusiasm. But then you pick up one or two negativity here, there, negative things. It has a different flavor to it. But if you're inside negative and outside, even if you are giving compliments, it doesn't work. How many of you notice this? You feel very uptight inside and you are negative inside and you don't like this, then you even give 1 or 2 or 10 compliments. Nobody takes it seriously. People see that this your compliments has no value. But if you are totally positive inside and you put one negative comment, that is taken seriously by people and they act on it. That is today's analysis. And the way to get to the core of positivity is letting go of the stress and know the center core is everything is perfect. Because who is in control? God is in control. God is in control of everything. There is a saying in Sanskrit, Tena vina trinamapi na chalati. Not a blade of grass moves without his will. I think this is in Bible also, is it?
Exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Same. Not a blade of grass moves without his will. That's an ancient saying. Tena vina trinamapi na chalati. Tena vina. Without you, not a blade of grass moves. And that gives total ease and comfort. Then where is the worry? No? Total letting go. And total letting go, the purity of mind. Makes mind very pure. And deep rest. What? Deep rest. Good. Too much knowledge will cause indigestion. Then you will forget everything and say, oh, something very nice was said, but what is it? They say, gone with the wind. Why?